Okay, so we have the black lab puppies. I got them all collars and named them all. There is 3 boys. Tara, you were wrong. There's 3 boys. And the rest are girls. There's 8 of them all together, so there's 5 girls. We have Allie in blue collar, Lacey's in the pink, Bentley's in the yellow there. Who's this? Precious is in the black and white polka dot. That's Precious. And this is Lily. Lily's in the yellow. Alex is in the black. There's Alex. Alex is in the black. Here, move. This is, who is this? What was your name? Toby. There's Toby in the blue. Rose is in the red. I don't know if you can really see the red, but Rose is in the red, and I believe that's all of them. Yeah, so here they all are. I know this little spot's a mess. It was kind of like a last-minute spot to set up, but yeah, they're all eating normal. Their stuff is all good. No scratching, no fleas, no nothing. Gave them all a bath yesterday, and yeah, I know they just all look like a big black blur with little colors in them because they're all just snuggled together. But yep, that's that. I got them collars, and I got them a couple little toys to play with. So yeah, that's that.